Hello guys, and welcome to our last day here in Istanbul. We are on our way to the airport, so we are fully packed, as you can see. So now let's head to the Hava bus. That is the coach which will take us to our airport. So see you there. So after arriving here at the airport in Istanbul, we gave up our luggage, then passed the security control, and now we are on our way to the lounge.
I'm so good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending, spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering our walls, but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read.
We made it to our second country of the trip, and the country is
Iran.
Woo! So we just landed in Tehran, and now we have to get through the security and visa, and well, see you on the other side.
Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter, not working out for me, yeah.
As you can see, we arrived here at the hostel in Tehran. We just wanted to catch up after the passport control. It was pretty easy. As we already had our visa, it was really easy to get past control, no difficulties at all. And then afterwards we hopped into a cab and drove towards our hostel.
We arrived at 5 o'clock in the morning and went to Playet straight away. In the morning we got up at around 9 o'clock and had some delicious breakfast.
After getting accustomed to everything, washing our clothes, it is now time to explore the city. We will head next to the exchange office where we will exchange euros to the domestic currency, and afterwards we will head to the bazaar. So let's go.
In and breathing out to get smarter, not working out for me, yeah, yeah. Got the money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright, even laughing at the jokes you tell me, keep myself inside the lines.
We are currently at the bazaar here in Tehran, and it is raining and storming, and a lot of is happening here, and it's just crazy here. You need to come here. It's absolutely insane.
Repeating patterns like the others, meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute, soon I can't wear any other.
Good morning everybody. We are here in Tehran on our second day and we are currently doing a walking tour with a guy from our hostel.
We are sorry for this weird video because it's all over the place, but we hope it makes a bit of sense to our travel here in Iran.
We will continue our tour through Tehran now.
Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
One stop on our Tehran tour with our tour guide is the Nature Bridge, which is famous because they didn't need to kill a tree. The lookout point from this bridge is amazing. You see a lot of the buildings in the south and the north, and therefore definitely must to visit this bridge.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors, like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others.
We are currently here at Kolistan Palace, which is one of the main attractions here in Tehran. You can buy an entrance for each room that you want to visit. To be fair, it is quite steep, the entrance price, so therefore be secure which room, or be sure which room you want to visit, and just buy the entrance for this particular room.
We don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
So we've just been to the Golestan Palace. It's very close to the bazaar. We've seen a lot of rooms that were covered with mirrors, and the colors all over the place were absolutely amazing. Normally we're not very interested in museums or places like that, but it was still breathtaking and it's worth a visit.
We are currently here at the Asadi Tower, which is a beautiful architecture here in Tehran. So we are currently on the lookout point of Tehran. So it was our lookout point of Tehran. It is a beautiful spot to end our beautiful city tour.
And it's also the place where you can go skiing.
So you can have a day at the ski resort here in Tehran. That was our video about Tehran. Tomorrow we will leave for Isfahan and we will take you with us on our trip. So see you there.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Good morning to a new day here in Isfahan.